Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do some work on this DELL XT2. Basically it's a touchscreen convertible and I would like to run some Android apps on it. I thought about dual booting Android and Windows Vista, but that is not a really viable solution and it's pretty hard to do. And I didn't find anybody who did it on this tablet, although I didn't even search that much. But I found some really good emulators recommended by Android Authority, and Andy is the best one that is free. So basically, from what I've seen in their video, this gives you the complete Android experience. Yeah, something I have to delete it. Or actually not even. I have to remove this. Sorry about that. This is a driver that was misplaced. And now it's in the correct place. Okay. This is Andy and it should basically install an operating system inside the virtual machine and you can play your games, do everything you do on an Android tablet. And that is pretty good because all the time you are inside Windows. And you can do also what you do on a Windows tablet. The problem is that, yeah, my phone in the background. I have no idea if this even runs on Windows Vista. And basically from what I see until now it might not even work on Vista because it doesn't really want to start. So yeah, I will stop the video for a moment, investigate the problem and continue afterwards. Okay guys, this is the point where Windows Vista starts to suck badly, but I continue to say that it's better to use official Windows Vista than pirated Windows. So yeah, what can I do? I'm working with it. It's impossible to use Andy on Windows Vista. This was my number one choice. I tried older versions, doesn't start installing it. Droid 4X is my second choice. I'm talking only about free apps. I don't want to pay for this. My second choice, the installer at this point does not start, the newest one. I found an older version with a full setup pack that doesn't have to download anything online, and that one seems to be starting. So yeah, license agreement seems to be kind of weird. I shall see what I can do. Hopefully this will work. Basically it shouldn't be that complicated to install it, and once it has started to install, hopefully I will have no other problems, but yeah, you never know. So yeah, I will continue. Okay, we have to enable virtualization, which is quite logical if you think about it. I don't usually leave it enabled because there is no reason while I do not run software of this type. But yeah, we should enable it now. Virtualization enabled. Okay. Everything enabled. I'm not sure if trusted execution is necessary to be enabled, but yeah, we will see about that. Okay, I've started the app. It prompted me that it can do an update. I will let it do the update. Hopefully it's an update to the latest version and it will actually install. Not really sure. But weirdly enough, it told me that virtualization is still disabled. So yeah, I'm going to see if the apps run fine, and if they run slow or something like that, I'm going to investigate that further, but at this moment I'm thinking it's just an error message because it's practically impossible to be disabled anymore. But yeah, maybe it has to be enabled from the get-go when you install Windows, but I don't really think so. It shouldn't be like that, so yeah, we will see. Okay, while it is still downloading at a really slow speed, dial-up kind of speed, it seems to be giving me some error, but it is because of data execution prevention. I went back into the BIOS. It was disabled by itself, so it didn't remain enabled, and that is quite annoying. So yeah, I have to search a little bit more to see what I can do. Okay, found some more information. In System Properties Advanced Performance Options, basically, you have data execution prevention, but you select this and you can exclude programs that you want. Hopefully I'm able to find this in program files, Droid 4X. Actually it was a folder on C, but we still have a folder here. And I should okay, this is quite annoying. Let's do some more searching. Let me see what I can find actually like this in this folder. Okay, don't really care about those. So why it doesn't let me do this? I will do some more digging. After some more poking around, I've decided to disable data execution prevention for the moment completely. This is what you have to type in run as administrator command prompt. This is the link where you can find how to do it exactly. And basically now it should be off. So let's see how lucky we are at this point. This is still downloading at furious speeds. I have no idea what this is and why it doesn't want to go away, because come on, virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. Okay, again, maybe I have to restart the computer. yeah, 99% I have to restart the computer, so the change takes effect. A few days have passed, still trying to run Android games on this. I've tried every single emulator under the sun, and all of them lead me to something similar to what you're going to see next. This. And it is not because of weird protections or something for the virtualization or trusted platform or execution or anything. They just crash. So they must not like Vista or something like that. This time it crashed really bad from what I see. So yeah, what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to go back to the original settings on this, make an image with Windows Vista running normally but without Android games, and basically have that image in case I need it. And I'm going to install Windows 10 on this, of course without a license, because from what I can see they allow you to use it without a license. Okay, like I was saying before, my camera abruptly shut down. I'm going to put Windows 10 on this, the free version, if you can call it that, because from what I see, if you have a Windows or Microsoft Live account and you allow insider builds to be installed onto your PC, you can use Windows 10 without a license and you basically don't have absolutely any problems. So yeah, you get updates and everything. You are limited to some visual things like being unable to change the wallpaper or stuff like that, but there are workarounds for problems like that, and basically you can change your wallpaper in the end. So yeah, I'm going to do that, do the image, put Windows 10 on it and continue the video to see if I can manage to run Android games on it. Okay guys, basically I got Windows 10 running on this convertible and tried to run ND emulator. Well, it installed, but it doesn't start up. So basically I'm going to try again each of the other ones one by one and see if I get one of them running on this tablet with Windows 10. If I get them running, then I will do my best to find the missing drivers, because they seem to be really hard to find. Basically about 3 of them are missing, and this one from time to time it comes up as having an issue. Sometimes it is not here, so yeah. But at this point it doesn't really look good running Android games on this tablet in any shape or form. Maybe it can be done in the end, but it doesn't seem to be easy or even moderate. It seems to be hard. So yeah, I'm going to continue. Okay. Droid 4X also seems to not run on this. Basically it gives me a driver problem. It wants a newer driver. It doesn't see the virtualization, although it is enabled. So yeah, this kind of seems really grim. And there is no updated driver for the graphic card in this convertibles. So yeah, I'm going to uninstall this and basically try the last one, and if this one doesn't work, that's about it. And for this folder, Windows 10 drivers, this is what I found until now for this. So yeah, maybe they exist, maybe there you can find them by a lot of searching for other PCs or laptops with uh, some of the parts from this one, but yeah, I'm not going to invest too much time into this. I'm going to put back the old Vista image and use it without Android games. So yeah, I'm going to uninstall this and try the last one and see how that goes. Okay, it all crashed and burned. The last one isn't working either, so it's back to Vista and no Android emulator. And that's about it. If you know any Android emulators that actually work on Vista and on this convertible, let me know in the comments. Hopefully they will also work for me. So thanks for watching, guys. Sadly this isn't a win video, it's a fail, but what can you do? So yeah, see you again next time and bye. Okay guys, if you were shouting Windows 7, try Windows 7, well, I decided to try Windows 7 and basically Droid 4X gives me this, and Andy freezes and never starts basically, and my pointer keeps jumping all over the place. So yeah, no, I'm going to go back to Vista for what I actually have a license on this machine, and I'm going to search for some browser games or some other small Windows games. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not saying that it's impossible to run Android games on this, but it is pretty hard, and I'm just giving up. So yeah, and this truly is the end of the video, guys. So see you next time and bye.